As the days get colder and colder, you might be running into some battery problems. Today, we'll show you what to do and where to find your battery in your Mopar vehicle. If you need to replace your battery, some common locations for the battery in Mopar vehicles are underneath the hood, in the trunk near the spare tire, and underneath the driver or passenger seat. If you're just waiting to jump start your battery, you'll be able to do that underneath the hood. If your battery isn't underneath the hood like on this charger here, you'll be able to use these jump start posts on your fuse block. You'll have your positive here and your negative terminal here. Proper procedure for attaching the jumper cables is red on dead, red on good, black on good, and black on dead. Make sure the good car is always running the whole entire time until the dead car has been started. Once the dead car has been started, do that exact same procedure just in reverse to detach the jumper cables. If you're still experiencing some issues with your battery, shoot us a call or visit us online at Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Centerville. Thanks.